So I'm about to join my friend's game. Alright, Onya. What is this? Look at this. Wait a minute. Wait. I'm gonna get in your game. I'm gonna get in your game. I'm gonna get in your game. Here I come. I'm joining. I'm joining. Here I come. Here I come. What? Main menu. What is this? This is not $60 already been given for the game. Why in the world is it not working? $60 a year, $60 for the Halo 4 disc 1 and 2. Disc 2 always sitting in the case. Don't even pull it out to play it. Why isn't it working? I don't understand. What is this words? These ain't even English. Go to over here. Can't even see nothing. Ain't no titles for nothing. Go over here. Got the words a minion. It ain't even Dominion. Ain't nothing in English. Team Ubbles, that ain't no word. Coming over here, can't read nothing. A-E-T-A. No, this is not what I paid my money for. O, aim, type, select T, R. Not my gamer tag, sir. Sorry. What is this A for? Nobody knows. What is A-E-U-T? Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. E-fault. No! Fix it! Xbox One sucked. This sucked. I'm mad at everything, man. $60 for what? We ain't got no dedicated service. Ain't got nothing, man. Microsoft, what are you doing?